How are you, brother? Brazilian roots. This is where we move. Everything's still very messy, but there's a frog. This is the corridor that we're having ourselves. Because everything is messy, just this section must go. But the real stuff is upstairs. A lonely lion. The real thing is coming, right? A few pieces. This is for the second book. Offshore propeller by the spaceship. These are another of Patricia, the wisdom. Another one over there. And that's again mainly all the mess. So you don't get sick. Ta-da! Nicole in there, the counter, of course everything messy. The other room, Sasukaki hooks, the prototype of the spaceship, Sasukakius, Patricia's. The counter. This is the creative space for creative people. We are going to open soon. We're getting ready with views, 12 desks, real chairs, views. The stock room that is getting there. We need to put a panel in the back to make the wall. I'm gonna see the view from here. That's a moving wall that needs to have the panel. That's the counter. And this is the Corso. That's the surf over there. It's messy and windy and stormy today. Walking distance. This is my mess. And a few paintings. The exhibitions are going to be here. Maybe Nick Hall coming soon. This is a moving wall. If you want to have a private sort of like a meeting room, this is going to be here. So you move the wall like that. Of course, going to be a panel in the back, so you won't be seen through. That's the meeting room tables, That's the chairs. There's gonna be exactly another moving wall in here until here. So it's gonna be completely private. And when nobody is booking the meeting room, that's gonna be my studio. So I'm gonna be painting there. The manager of the gallery is gonna be there. And we have a beautiful, nice kitchen and 2 bathrooms for the people. That's a bathroom. Very nice light. That's Patricia thing. It's a little bit missing here, but we're still getting there and moving. I think the surfboards are gonna be here. That's my skateboards. That's the way I go back home. No driving. That's the kitchen. Getting there. Getting there. And for the openings, yeah, champagne. The juice for the people. A little bit of a coconut. Anyway, that's the idea. It's bigger than it looks, and that's Nicole's. Alright, adios, ciao.